there is an official free online course to learn audio plugin development with JUCE. Head over to wolfsoundacademy.com/JUCE to sign up now and start creating your first audio plugin. If you are interested in digital music, you have probably used an audio plugin, such as a synthesizer or reverb in a DAW, like Ableton Live, Reaper, FL Studio, Logic Pro, or Pro Tools. If you are a music producer, you may have thought to yourself, man, if I just had a plugin that does this one thing. Or, if you're more like me, you may have asked yourself, wow, how cool would it be to create my own plugin? Or maybe you are bored with your job and would like to transition into audio plugin development. Regardless of our reasons, we all have the same question: how do I start? Creating audio plugins for digital audio workstations is difficult. There are lots of moving pieces: music theory, digital signal processing theory, the C++ programming language, setting up your development environment, plugin formats, operating system requirements, distribution, cross-platform user interface development. The list goes on and on. Most people recommend using the JUCE C++ framework to simplify plugin development, since it's the most popular one and it's used by the majority of audio companies worldwide. However, if you have never programmed or you don't know C++, CMake, or real-time audio programming concepts, chances are your plugin will be buggy and glitchy, if you get it to compile, that is. Moreover, our time and energy are limited. Do you really have the time and patience to search the web to find why your plugin doesn't load in a DAW? Or to jump from definition to definition of terms you have no idea about, not even knowing if they are relevant? For the longest time, there weren't many good resources on this topic. Yes, there are some books, yes, there are some online tutorials, but most people struggle with merely installing the right tools on their systems and getting their heads around code compilation. And when you are stuck, there's no one around to help. Some people believe in AI, but in my experience and in the experience of most people I talk to, AI agents and chatbots often fail to deliver correct, real-time safe audio code. This makes them unsuitable for learning plugin development. And if you don't know audio programming, you cannot verify that the AI output is correct. What we're missing is a complete, holistic resource for people who want to learn audio plugin development from scratch. So far, there were but a handful of universities that taught this. But most people cannot afford to attend university because it's too expensive, too time-consuming, or would require them to relocate. But this has just changed. My name is Jan Wilczek. I am the founder of thewolfsound.com, a blog and a YouTube channel on audio programming, and I have partnered with the JUCE C++ framework team to create the official JUCE audio plugin development online course. This course will teach you everything you need to know about audio programming to get started, from installing the right developer tools on your operating system, to building your first plugin, defining its audio processing chain, adding parameters, creating a graphical user interface, testing in a DAW, and the basics of distribution. Throughout the course, you will create an actual audio plugin, a tremolo effect that you can use in a DAW of your choice. Whether you are a musician, music producer, sound engineer, student, software engineer, or hobbyist, this course will teach you the basics of audio programming and will help you understand this exciting yet complex world. Even if you already are an audio developer, there's a lot you can learn from the course. For example, are you sure you know all the available tools for verifying that your plugin is correct? The course has been developed by the JUCE team, people who work on the framework and use it every day. It means that they thoroughly reviewed the entire content and personally contributed the most important bits. The course is the official go-to resource for learning JUCE. But the course doesn't just focus on JUCE. It teaches you the basics, principles, theory and practice of audio plugin development, all in an easy-to-digest, interactive and entertaining format. You can test your knowledge in practical assignments, ask questions, get them answered, and interact with other students. And now comes the best part. The course is entirely free. No need to pay anything to learn audio plugin development. So head over to wolfsoundacademy.com/JUCE, sign up for the course, and start creating your first audio plugin. By the end of the course, you'll have created your own fully functional audio plugin you can share with others. And if you know anyone else who's interested in audio plugin development, make sure to let them know about the course. Since the course is entirely free, you'll do them a favor. In the first month after launch, we had over 2,000 students sign up, and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. So go to wolfsoundacademy.com/JUCE, sign up for the free course, and become an audio plugin developer. The JUCE course is also free for educators who want to use any of the curriculum in their universities, schools, or courses, or for team leaders who want to deliver training to their colleagues. If you teach JUCE and would benefit from access to the course materials, please get in touch by emailing info@juice.com.